guys, welcome back to my channel, and excuse this messy hair day, but my name's Melissa and you're watching Makeover with Mel. And in this video I thought we would go inside of Catos. They posted on Facebook how they got a huge shipment in of new stuff, so I thought we would go by and check it out and see what we can find for maybe New Year's Eve. On the lookout for a New Year's Eve outfit. I know it's a little early, but I can also look for Thanksgiving and Christmas at the same time. So let's go in and see what we can find. Excuse my dirty windshield. It is awful. You can't hardly even see the Catos. Okay, so there's been a change in plans. I went in to Catos and they now have a man working in their store. It just threw me for a loop, and I didn't feel comfortable. They know me in Catos because I used to work there, but none of them that I worked with was there, and I just felt very, very uncomfortable. So that being said, I just shopped around and I found 2 items on the clearance racks, and I bought those. And then I thought, well, I'm going to go to Factory Connections. I don't know if you all have one in your town or if you even know what I'm talking about. So went there. They had 15% off of everything in the plus size section. So I bought me 2 things. And then I got a couple of things in from Forever 21 that had come in late when I'd done my Forever 21 haul. These had come in later. So I thought what I would just do is a small random haul of the 3 different stores that I got things from and show you guys what I got. And in that, I actually have a piece that I'm wearing for New Year's Eve. I know I said that I was on the hunt for something for New Year's Eve, but this may be my go-to if I don't find something else. So I'm super excited about it. It's really, really sexy. So I want to show you guys what I got. So stay tuned and we'll get to watching what I got. Okay, we are back home now. I want to show you what I bought. If I can get everything out of my way, I want to show you what I did purchase. And I'm also going to throw in what had come in later on my Forever 21 order. Everything didn't come in at the same time, and I don't know why, because normally it does. So, well, I can't say that because I had never ordered from them before. But that being said, everything I ordered finally came in. So I'm going to show you what I got piece by piece. This first item I got is a pair of slacks, and they sit below natural waist. They're contemporary ankle, and I got them in a size 16 in the regular side, straight side at CatoFashions. And tell me something. You can call me stupid if you want to, but is this leopard, snakeskin? All I know is it's animal print. So let me know in the comments below what this is, because I am stupid. I don't have a clue. And I asked my family, and you know what? They didn't know either. So what is this? It's black, white, and gray. I want to say it's leopard print because it looks like it, but it's just not the same colors. But then again, it looks kind of like snakeskin. So I don't know. You guys let me know. But I got them in a size 16, and they do fit. The only problem is when I go to sit down, they want to row. They're just the pull-on kind, and they have a wide waistband to them. They want to row down. And I think if I would have got them in a size bigger, went on over to the plus side, and got a 1X or a 16W, then maybe they would have fit a little bit better. And I do wish that the ankle part was a little bit tighter, because it wasn't real tight on my ankles. So that being said, you guys let me know, should I keep them or should I take them back? I left the tags and everything on them just in case everybody thought they didn't look right, so I could take them back. So you guys let me know in the comments below, should I keep them or should I take them back? Okay, these are just your pull-up pants, and I got them in a size 16 on the regular side, straight side. They are a little short, for my liking. I wish they was a little tighter. I wouldn't mind if they was short, if they was a little tighter. I may end up rolling them up if possible. But I hate when I do anything, they roll down. So maybe if I got a size bigger, they wouldn't do that. But I love the print. Absolutely love the print. There's no pockets at all. But I love the print. So you guys tell me, what kind of print is this? Is it snakeskin, leopard, cheetah? It's black and white and gray. So let me know. I'm confused with all these leopard prints. But let me know what you think. Should I keep them or should I take them back? Okay, this next item I have been on the hunt for because I wanted to try. I've never tried one on, and it's a sweater dress. I always thought I was too big. Well, not anymore. I am going to get out there with my body size, shape. I don't care. I'm going to flaunt it because I am beautiful and nobody can tell me otherwise. So I bought me a sweater dress and I got it in a maroon color. It is kind of scratchy and I was wondering, am I supposed to wear a slip underneath this? Because with certain light you can kind of see, because when I was trying it on you could still see my bra underneath. So do I need to wear a slip underneath this or just wear it as is? But I love it. It is comfortable. I got this one in a 3X and it is by Say What, and I got it at Factory Connections. I don't know if you all have a Factory Connections where you live or if you even know what I'm talking about, and I believe I already said that before. It's been a day since I've videoed my intro, so the mind's not working too well. But anyway, I love it. I'm keeping it. This is going to be my Thanksgiving dinner outfit when we go to my mom's for Thanksgiving. And I'm going to wear it with some high boots or knee boots, brown ones. So I think that's going to be gorgeous. So this one, I'm thinking, I love the cow neck. It is kind of scratchy. And when you wear these type of sweater dresses, are you supposed to wear a slip underneath or not? Because you can see my bra. I don't know if it's just because I got so much light on me or not, but let me know in the comments below. Am I supposed to wear a slip underneath it? But I thought it was super cute. And I thought I'd wear this for Thanksgiving with some high boots, knee boots, some brown ones. So you guys tell me what you think about this one. Next item I got at Factory Connections also, and it is by Be Famous USA, and I got it in a 3X, and it was $19.99 and I got 15% off of that. It is 51% rayon, 49% polyester. But what drawed me to it is how it has this color blocking, and it's black, pink, and then gray, and it's like that on the sleeves, but the back of it is just pure black. I think it's adorable. So you all look and see how it looks on me in the next clip. I absolutely love this color blocking on this cardigan. It has gray, pink, and black. Gray, pink, and black, and then the back of it is solid black, and it's long, so I want to wear it with either a pair of black jeans or regular denim jeans and black boots, or even a jean skirt with high black boots. I think that would be super cute too. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one. This one I got at Factory Connections. Okay, here's another cardigan. This is one that I had ordered through Forever 21 where the black one came in but the maroon one didn't, because I'm trying to get a cardigan of colors that I don't have. And now I believe I have all the main colors: black, white, cream, hunter green, burgundy. I've actually got 2 black. But yeah, I love this one. It's not real thick, so you can wear about anything under it. Either a cami or a real long sleeve shirt you could wear under it. But it has pockets, which is amazing. I love cardigans that have pockets. And it's longer. I think longer ones tend to make you look slimmer. That's just my opinion. But yeah, I love the detail to it that it has. It's not just your plain Jane cardigan. And it's amazing. And you'll see in the next clip how it looks. This cardigan come from Forever 21. I ordered it at the same time that I ordered the black one, but this one come in late. I like how the sleeves are kind of snug and they're long with the cuffs at the bottom. And this one has pockets, and it's also long, and it's so cozy and warm. It does feel kind of scratchy, and it is kind of see-through. So you would have to wear something under it, of course. But I love it. Forever 21. It is amazing. Okay, I'm going to save the best for last that I'm most excited about. So I just wanted to show you guys these scarves that I got from Dollar Tree. And this pattern right here is, I think, is really popular. Do you call it gingham or plaid? Plaid, I guess. But I got it in 3 different colors. So you guys check out in the next clip what they look like. This is just one of 3 of the scarves that I got. Super soft. And can you believe they come from the Dollar Tree? They are amazing. Let me show you the other 2. This one I'm going to wear with my red. Well, you can wear it with red, but I'm going to wear it with my yellow blouse for Thanksgiving. And I could also wear it with that sweater dress. It would look cute with it because of the burgundy that's in it. And this one I think is adorable. This is the one I'm going to pair with my wool coat that has a hood for this winter and wear some gray gloves. I think that is amazing as well. They're not the longest in the world, but they are fine to keep you warm in the winter time. You can do them so many different ways. But yeah, $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I also got a pair of earrings at CatoFashions. I haven't got them out of the package yet, but I wanted to show you guys. And they didn't wrap them up. They always wrap up. But they are accessory. No, actually I got them at Factory Connections is where I got these at. I didn't get them at Catos. But I thought they were adorable. They really caught my eye. They're big and bulky, and I like it. I think it's going to look good with my yellow mustard blouse, and wear these and a pair of booties that match this. I think that will be so cute with a pair of denim. And they were only $3.99, and I got 15% off of that. I got 15% off of everything that I bought there at Factory Connections. And what I hate about that store is you cannot order online. That's the only thing I hate about that store. They have the cutest things, and sometimes you can find American Eagle jeans there, but you can find brand name things there, but they black out the name or something. They do something to it, but yeah, that you got to try to see if you can find a Factory Connections in your area, because it is an amazing store. Here's the last, but certainly not least. It is my most favorite item. I'm already ahead of everybody else, I'm assuming, but I have found the perfect thing to wear to New Year's Eve party. We have tickets to go to a dance, and I'm so excited because I haven't got to go out and celebrate New Year's Eve for probably 4 or 5 years, and I am going this year with or without my hubby. But it is this amazing high-low peplum blouse. It's off the shoulders, and what I like about it is it don't slide. And I'm wearing it with my black faux leather pants and a pair of booties. So y'all look in the next clip and tell me what you think. Now, is this not sexy? This is my New Year's Eve top. It's longer in the back than it is in the front. I love it. It comes from Forever 21. And I love how it stays off the shoulders. You don't have to worry about it coming up on you. And I love the length of the sleeves. And it does make my boobs look uneven. But that's okay. I'll have a different bra on then. But I'm wearing it with my black faux leather pants and some boots or booties. So yeah, does this not look adorable? You guys let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. Is it a keeper? Should I wear it for New Year's Eve? Will I be sexy enough? Let me know down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I was a little bit here and there and everywhere, and it was a little upside down, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. Check me out on Instagram. It's MCASEY3422, and I also have a Poshmark closet, and I'm actually thinking about posting some more new things tomorrow, which will probably be new for you guys Saturday. I'm thinking Saturday. But anyway, be sure to check it out. It's at MCASEY3422. And if you use it right now, if you use my code right now, they got a special going on. You get $10 off of your first order. So you win, I get $10 off, or a credit of $10, and you get $10 off your order. So you guys check me out on Poshmark and on Instagram. I don't post all the time on Instagram, but just random pics and videos and things like that. So if you like to watch, just hit me up on Instagram. I don't mind a bit. And leave me some comments. I love, love, love to get comments because I'm always looking for new friends. So you guys have a great day or night. It is my night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you bunches.